Golden handcuffs.
Golden handcuffs refer to financial allurements and benefits designed to encourage valuable employees to stay with an organization instead of exploring options outside. For example, companies often use employee stock options to bind employees. By design, such allurements are exceptionally tempting. These get implemented by signing tailored contracts for each employee. Golden handcuffs work in two ways. While long stay offers incentives, there are penalties for early exits. Golden handcuffs are frequently used in tight labor markets and for jobs requiring rare and specialized skills. Even though quite expensive, they are justified considering the even higher cost of specific replacements.